Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out applications. It is a system application, and what is the use of this system application. The name of the system application is Conky. So Conky is a system monitor that can display just about anything, either on your root desktop or on its own window. Conky has many built-in objects as well as ability to execute the external programs or scripts, either external or through a built-in Lua support. So the package Conky all is there in Debian. So Arch also has got, all the Linux distributions have got this package. So Debian has got the package. I opened up the packages.debian.org, and the Buster repository is there, and it has got the Conky all package. So this is a full package, or we can call it a full Conky. The full Conky is compatible with many of the system applications, and it has got the most compile options enabled. For example, it is compatible with X11, Xdamage, XDBE, XFT, MPD, MOC, math, hard disk temperature, port monitor, RSS, weather, wireless, IBM, NVIDIA, EU Online, LM-lib2, APCU, PhD, IOStats, ARGB, Lua, and the KO, and the IM-lib2, Lua bindings, Audacious, XMMS2, and the Pulse Audio. So it is compatible with the Pulse Audio. Many of the system sensors are compatible with it. The NVIDIA card, the wireless card, the weather app, the RSS news feed, the math library. You can see all many things are there. The X11, that is the XOR server. It is compatible with Conky, and Conky can display the status of all these applications, sensors, and system components can be shown by Conky on your screen. So Conky is dependent on following packages. So these are the dependencies of the Conky. So you need to install the Conky along with these dependencies. Then only the Conky can be used as a full-fledged system monitor. So if you remove any of this dependency package, then that functionality will reduce. For example, if you remove this Audacious package from the Conky, then the Conky will lose its ability to display the song that is playing by the Audacious player. So like this, for example, if you remove the XMMS2 package, then the XMMS2 media player system won't be compatible, and then it won't, Conky won't display what is currently going on in the XMMS2 media player system. So it will not show the status of XMMS2 on your desktop. So like this it is. So these are all the packages. You can see it here, and these packages are available for the different architectures. So I will stop the video here. In the next video I will show you how to configure the Conky on your system. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.